saying go to college. So you finish college and it's wonderful. You feel so good. And after all the partying and crazy, and don't forget about that.
Yo guys, so I'm back with another one. Like I said, 30 days. I'm gonna make videos all 30 days. So it's not easy, but we gotta keep going, man. So let me just make sure that okay. So I was just checking with the mic and stuff. So now we're gonna talk about campaigns. This is the main event. So we want to discuss campaigns, the kind of campaigns to try, the ones I would advise you to try, the ones you got to take a risk and try yourself, and see how it goes, right? So if you watched the last video, I'm just refresh my screen. 580, 583, 588. So I'm just making these videos at the same time. So you gotta bear with me. Yeah. I'm gonna click on one of my campaigns, and I'm not sure I should do this, but I feel people need help. They need some guidance. They need anything. You could throw them a bone, anything. I'm just gonna throw anything out there. It might be useful, it might not be useful. If it's useful for you, good luck. If it's not useful, still good luck. You decide. So anyway, so this is one of the campaigns that's popping in the UK. CDB oil, right? One of my landing pages. Feel me? Yeah, so they click on that link. And you can see it gets updated with the date. See, Sunday, December 20th, 2020. Yeah. So you know how it goes. It's a trial campaign. So they pay for the trial. And I think I get like $40, $30 or so. Can't remember, man. $30 to $40 depends on the country, criteria and stuff. But it's a trial, so they only pay for shipping, right? They just pay for shipping, And there's a bunch of testimonials and stuff. I don't advocate for this, but who am I to judge, man? I'm doing what I know how to do, so. Do what makes you feel good. You can see what the landing page looks like, right? So it's a bunch of proof. Like I said, I was gonna be showing real stuff, real stuff. You understand? There's not no BS. A lot of people have, weight problems. Some people have, like the ketone, right? That one is really going well. The CDB oil has no fantastic stuff. Depends on what you're looking for. Before we go further, I just want to put a disclaimer out there. I'm no financial advisor. Before I go more deep into this stuff, anything you want to do should be at your own risk. And you should do the own research for yourself and decide for yourself. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just giving this for entertainment purposes. Who knows? Maybe I'm just flexing. Who knows? Maybe all this is crap. This might just be a flex. Anyway, you decide. Yeah. So this is one of the pages that I have. This is in the top 5. Well, it's in the top 7. So this is either the first or the 7th or the 5th or so it's not the first anyway, but it's in the top 7. So you get the gist. So these are the kind of landing pages that are aggressive, right? You want to have an aggressive landing page. You really want an aggressive landing page, because there's people, they are so stubborn to convert. So yeah. So once you have this page going, you want to make sure all the clicks you're getting through your native ad network are coming through, and they are going to your volume, right? They're coming to your volume account. I have to blur out everything. We're just going to show you the devices, models. I'll just play with the stuff a bit just to make you understand, the kind of traffic I'm getting. Windows is converting. Okay. But there's so much bot traffic out there, right? There's way so much bot traffic. So you want to make sure that you are blocking the bot traffic. Too much bot traffic out there. This is something that a lot of people are not going to tell you. But there's so much bot traffic out there. Let's see, ISP. Let's see, I think these are bots. These is bots, man. This is bots. Because so many companies are running on the cloud. So there's a lot of bots. Broadband, blah, 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 cable. Yeah, so I'm just going into more details, so you can see what traffic is about. This another account. This one is 401. Let's just refresh and see. 423. You see the OS version. Right, you can see this is a more solid account. I'm going to blur out everything, right? I'm just going to leave the amounts and the operating system. All the other statistics, I just have to blur them out. Because I'm no financial advisor, right? So just going to click a bunch of stuff so you can see. So Huawei. So Huawei is really burning my cash. But overall, I'm on good profit. Yeah. Overall, I'm on very huge profits. If we want to run stats, say let's just go back a few months. Sorry, this one. Let's go back. Let's say from July to date, 20th. I think over 200 grand. I think so. Okay, 194,000. You can see Vodafone. There's this others, right? Just there's some tracking issues with some networks. They don't show. They don't show the kind of They don't pass some data. So, but my overall is desktop, right? My desktop is doing great. It's about 10%. So, but the iPhone is performing good. Between iPhones, so many people got iPhones, which is great. So anyway, I showed you the landing page. That's one of the offers that I'm running. So you want to link, when you set up your volume, you're going to start with network, affiliate network. You're going to fill that up. You're going to move to traffic source. You're going to fill that up. You're going to move to Lander. You're going to take your Lander URL and pop it in there. You go into offers, you're going to take your offer, pop it in there. From your traffic source, I think, or your affiliate network, you're going to get your postback URL. So you can pass the pixel fires. So if you get conversion of the network, it shows up here. So I'm going to do another video how to set that up. But this is like to cover the kind of offers I'm running. So this is just one of the offers. I think this is the highest paying one I'm running. I'm running so many other campaigns that are $15, some credit score, some credit reports, some email submits, some other campaigns. Remember, this video is to give you a general perception, right? General perception of what you can do to earn some money on CPA. So there's not like an extensive coaching and stuff. This is just to kind of pave the way so you can see what's possible. Understand what I mean? So you could just see, okay, this is possible. So now you got to go take responsibility for yourself, right? You want to go take some responsibility for yourself. And yeah, and hopefully things work out for you. But I would advise you to run native ads. I might do a video on tracking. If we can get the group up to 1,000, I would show you how to set up volume. I'm going to do a video on how to set up volume. Remember, these videos, I don't have to do them. I don't need to do them. I'm just doing them, right? So I don't have to. So it's 11 minutes now. So what else? What else do we cover? CDB, ketone, the health niche is really profitable. So please, if you have any other questions of me doing a general video, because these are like general perceptive videos, it's not like advanced, it's just general videos. So just to guide you to a certain direction, just reach out to me. So far it's 588. Let's refresh and see. Maybe it's gone up. I'm not sure. 591. Okay, so it's Sunday, so it's a bit slow. But anyway, if you got more questions, join the group, comment on my video, and stay safe and God bless.